Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and if you are my return subscriber, thank you for always clicking to watch my videos. Today I'm making an effective smoothie for weight loss using these 4 ingredients: fruit and nuts, milk, oats, and banana. Firstly, I'm going to prep up my banana. So guys, first goes in my banana. Next, my milk. After that, my oats. And finally, my mixed fruit and nuts. I'm now going to cover and blend for 30 to 40 seconds. I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, this is my banana smoothie for weight loss finished blending. Now I'm going to open it. So guys, this is the type of consistency you'd be wanting in your smoothie. It's nice and creamy. I'm now going to serve it. This smoothie is very beneficial for weight loss. And you can drink this instead of breakfast in the busy mornings. Let me know in the comment section below which country you watch me from. As we are now coming to the end of the video, kindly like, share, comment, and please subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.